Hey, hi friends. Today we are going to talk about trending interior decor options that will give your walls a modern and a luxurious look that is also in a budget. Yes, we are going to discuss about the PVC fluted panels. And if you are thinking of installing the old style PVC panels, stop right there. Nowadays, people are going with the UV marble sheets, yeah, WPC panels, yeah, charcoal overs. But those come with a high price tag, so that's why the PVC fluted panels are an excellent option. In this video we're going to cover their advantages and the disadvantages of PVC fluted panels and where you should install them, and most importantly how much it will cost. Friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. Let's start. These PVC fluted panels are decorative wall panels which are made from the PVC material which we call the polyvinyl chloride. They have the beautiful vertical grooves or flutes on the surface, which will give your walls a modern and a stylish look. These are the more much trendy and different from the old PVC panels. Let's now talk about the benefits it is the aesthetic appeal. The design of these panels is so stunning that it gives your walls a modern and a luxurious appearance. Also, you will get the various colors, textures and finishes that easily match your interior home decor. Also, it has a natural wood-like finish. So this panels offers a wooden texture finish that looks extremely premium. And also they are water and moisture resistant. So these panels are highly water resistant because it has no effect on them. So that's why you can use them in humid areas or in the bathrooms also. Also, they are lightweight and easy to install. So these panels are very lightweight, especially when compared to wooden panels or stone cladding. They can be easily installed using adhesives or screws, saving the both labor cost and the time. And friends, these panels are highly durable. Termites or rust don't affect them, and they have a lifelong span. Also, they are easy in maintenance, so cleaning them is a super easy. Just wipe with a damp cloth, and they shine like a new. They are also the stain resistant, and one of the biggest advantages of this, it is cost effective. So compared to the WPC lovers, wooden panels are or marble cladding, their cost is much lower, making them a budget friendly options. Also, these panels provide the some level of sound insulation, so helping keep your home the quiet. So friends, every product has the two sides, so let's talk about some drawbacks also. It is low heat resistance, so these panels cannot withstand the high temperature, so avoid installing them in a kitchens or near fireplace. And another is synthetic look, so even though they come in a wooden like colors, but they don't offer the same premium finish at the WPC lowers or the natural wood. Also, they are not suitable for the outdoor use, so these are not recommended for outdoor applications because as they can't handle the weather changes. Actually we're going to know that where we can use this panel. First of all, we can use this in our living room, like for a feature walls like a TV wall, which is a highlighted wall, or in a bedroom behind the bed for a stylish headboard walls. Also, you can use for commercial spaces like showrooms, office, and also you can use in a bathroom also, which thanks to water resistance. Even you can use for ceiling for creative ceiling designs. But friends, avoid in kitchens due to heat sensitivity. Now the most important question is the cost. Suppose your wall is 10 by 10 feet wall, and the PVC panels cost between 45 to 50 rupees per square feet, which depending upon the quality and the thickness. And so let's suppose we take the 50 rupees per square feet for each panel, no, for per square feet, and the labor cost plus accessory it will cost 15 rupees per square feet. So the total price will be 65 rupees per square feet, material plus installation. So for 100 square feet wall, so it will cost almost 6500 rupees. So friends, actually you will get in a premium quality also. So actually the price starts from 75 rupees, it will cost more, so but it is much cheaper than the WPC lowers or wooden panels or the marble cladding. So these are the budget friendly option PVC fluted panels. And the sizes which are available, the if you height is 8 feet or the 10 feet it will be available, and for a width 6 inches or the 12 inches, and the thickness comes is 8 mm to 12 mm. And the material which is made these fluted panels are from PVC resin, calcium carbonate and additives, making them a strong yet the lightweight. So friends, if you have a limited budget and want the modern stylish look for your walls, low maintenance walls, so PVC fluted panels as per is the perfect for you. But it is your budget is higher, so you can consider the WPC lowers or the UV marble sheets. So friends, now you know that why PVC fluted panels are becoming so popular. They are budget friendly, stylish and durable. So friends, if you have any question, comment below. If you want more details, you can ask me in the comment sections. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for new video notifications. So friends, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.